welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia Mesadieu, your guide to the best clothes, tips, products, and ideas that help you look and feel your best. So today I'm going to be doing a skincare video. I love skincare because it's a part of self-care, and I just love preserving my skin and making sure that it presents the best that it can. And I've come a long way with my skin over the years and different products that I'm trying, and I love the overall results. I can honestly say that my skin is right where I need it to be. Skincare is probably one of my biggest vices when it comes to trying out new things. I absolutely love skincare. And today I am going to be trying out a skincare line called Sigmatic. I am a little curious to see how this product works on the skin. After doing my research, I learned that Sigmatic has a heavy concentration on crafting their skincare products and their teas from mushrooms and adaptogens. Now, adaptogens and mushrooms get mixed reviews because they have a very fickle taste, or it's acquired. I know mushrooms can be an acquiring taste for some, and they mentioned shiitake mushrooms. So I think that makes the product, in my opinion, I think it makes the product unique because you don't hear about a lot of products that are crafted from mushrooms. Not at all. I've never heard of it. So I'm excited to try it, in addition to the other ingredients that are placed in this product itself. And mushrooms and adaptogens are said to be very nutritious, so I'm sure that that does wonders for the skin as well. And you know, we're trying to preserve youth. We're in our 30s. We have to preserve the youth, ladies. Preserve the youth. And it is a dual product, so it's also a dietary supplement. It's dual purpose topical face mask and super tonic. Okay, so let's talk about some of the ingredients in here. There's organic cacao, organic cinnamon, organic reishi, organic chaga, organic nutmeg, activated charcoal, oriental ginseng, organic guto cola, which is a root, and then there's organic ginger powder, which also comes from, also originates from the root, and the ginseng also originates from the root. There's also citric acid in here, and some other ingredients include sodium bicarbonate, but it's mostly naturally based. You can actually taste it, or again, it's edible, so I'm excited to try it. This is what it looks like inside. Oh, I spilled a bit. That's what it looks like inside. This brand is an edible skincare product. Okay, some other products that come with the skincare line is the Sigmatic Superfood Beauty Mix. And then we have the Superfood Serum. And there's the Mix Sip Beauty. Today I'm going to be using the 4 Sigma Mushroom Face Mask and Tonic. Purify with mushrooms and adaptogens. I think that's how you pronounce that. And I have my little bowl right here. I've got some steaming hot water. I think that's what you mix it with. I think today I'm going to try the Superfood Beauty Mix Glow with adaptogens and vitamins. I'm going to try that tonight. Okay. So let's get started on doing this mask. I have never tried a real life mask that you have to make. So let's read the directions here. Mix 1.5 teaspoon with 1 teaspoon water. Apply to skin and allow 10 to 15 minutes to dry. Rinse and use weekly. Gotcha. Okay. Let's get started. So I told you I have my bowl here, and I'm going to take this. It comes with a wooden spoon. I'm gonna take this much here, I'm gonna take this much from the wooden spoon. I'm gonna place that in the bowl. And then I have some hot, piping hot steaming water here. I should have read the directions first. I don't know why I thought I was gonna need hot piping water. Oh no, I know why I thought I was gonna need hot piping water, because I thought that I was going to be, I added a little bit more. I thought I was going to be drinking the tea, but I've decided to not do the tea. Okay, I actually poured a little bit more than a teaspoon, but the directions say to pour 1.5, mix with teaspoon. Oh no, you are supposed to mix with hot. Oh, that's if you want it as a tonic. I'm gonna taste it too. I added a little bit more. This is not exactly what I was expecting to do, but I have a strawberry. I have a little bit of honey, okay? I'm going to add some, you can add a natural sweetener. And then I'm gonna add this onto my strawberry. I'm gonna add just a little bit more honey. It's oozing. Oh my goodness. Okay, before I apply it to my face. It tastes like chocolate. That's good. Definitely tastes like chocolate. Definitely tastes like chocolate. Okay, let's try this on the skin. So I just have like a regular, I'm using my Real Techniques brush here. I'm just applying this. It smells so good. Oh my god, this is so nice. And a little bit goes a long way. You really don't even need that much. Okay. Whoa. All right. We're gonna keep this on for about, I just can't believe how good it smells. I'm gonna keep this on for 10 to 15 minutes as it suggests. And I'm gonna have some of the Sigmatic Superfood Beauty Mix while I'm waiting. How about that? It is a little tart, but anything for collagen and hair growth, right? All right, I think it's been about 10 or 15 minutes. I'm gonna wash this off and we'll see what my face looks like when I come back. It's pretty dry for the most part. Wow, I've never had a mask that looks so chocolatey. Ooh. Get that. Okay, so I've rinsed it off. My face feels good. However, I find that this stains the face. So rinsing it with just water may not, well, I need something else. So I'm gonna try coconut oil to fully remove it, because I feel like right now it has stained the face, if you can see. So there's still some traces of it, and I want to remove all of it. So I'm gonna go get some coconut oil and see if that does the trick. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have the coconut oil. The coconut oil is in this bowl, and I'm just gonna apply that all over my face. see if that removes it. Yes, and it looks like that is doing the trick. I would love for Sigmatic to include something with the mask that helps you to fully remove all of the traces of the mask so that you don't have to go into your own cabinets to get something. So that would really be great if they could package that all together. I'm gonna go ahead and wash off the coconut oil, and then I'm gonna finish up with the Superfood Serum. All right, so I'm just back from washing my face, and I had to use like cotton pads to remove the coconut oil off of my face with water. Again, I would really love it if Sigmatic developed a product that helps you fully remove all of the mask off your face. I would absolutely love if Sigmatic could develop a product that would fully help you remove the face mask, just because it can be a little tricky to figure out how to fully remove it. So now I'm gonna apply the Sigmatic Superfood Serum. By the way, my face feels really good. I think it looks really good. But the test will really see what it looks like in the morning. So I am applying this much. It has a very earthy citrus scent to it. It's not greasy at all. Feels moisturizing. I'm gonna put some on my eyelids because my eyelids have been feeling really dry. Okay, so I'm just gonna let this work on my face until the morning, and we'll wake up and see what happens. Good morning. It's the next morning, the next day, about to go to work, getting ready for work. And I'm just checking out my skin, and my skin looks good. I don't see anything that grew overnight. It doesn't look like I've had an allergic reaction to the serum or the face mask. So I would say moving forward that this is a go. I would love to incorporate that mask into my face routine. It looks good. My face feels good. It doesn't feel dry or anything either. It feels like it's been moisturized, so that serum held up overnight. Your girl is feeling her skin right now. Okay, Sigmatic, do your thing. All right, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know if you tried Sigmatic products. And till next time, I will see you all in the next video. Favorite, peace, and blessings. Bye.